Have you been thinking of pursuing a career path in cybersecurity? Well, let me tell you why you should start with us. For starters, we ensure that our students get that one-on-one connection with our instructor so we can maintain our classes active and engaged. Because of that, our classes are held live and taught in English. With Tectorio, class time isn't the only time you can learn. We provide short videos so our students can recap the topics that have been covered. We also provide free mentorings in English and recap classes that are in Russian and in Turkish. But wait, there's more. You'll also have several tasks where you can practice on working on real-time scenarios. This can help you gain knowledge on how to handle certain tasks when you're working at a corporate company. Additionally, from getting those real-life examples, we ensure to provide career coaching to all of our students. This also includes interview prep support by a recruiter where they can guide you on how to build your resume, your LinkedIn account, how to handle and respond to certain interview questions, mock interviews, and overall guidance when you're in the market. Certificates are a huge plus to have when you're going into the market. Because of that, we provide our CompTIA certificate preparation classes. If you're interested in joining our course, well, you're in luck. At the moment, we're offering up to $500 referral bonus if you join our course and refer a friend to join our program. It's never too late to start. Join us at our next upcoming cybersecurity course and jumpstart your IT career.